Repel Bugs. It's no secret that humans love Coke. Bugs, on the other hand, are not as fond of the sweet carbonated beverage, which makes using cola as a pest deterrent an unexpected bonus. Cheaper than pesticides, some farmers swear by Coca Cola for fighting pests including slugs, ants, and cockroaches. Cure hiccups. Too many Jack and Cokes can give you the hiccups. Luckily, Coke on its own can cure that same ailment. Then again, drinking in moderation is probably the best way to prevent hiccups in the first place. Defrost or Windshield. Those in cold climates will tell you windshield scraping is one of the least fun things about winter. And for those who are too impatient to wait for the defroster to do its thing, enter Coke as another miracle solution. Compost Better. In the strange but true category, Coca-Cola is a great addition to your compost pile. The ingredients in cola help the microorganisms in the compost pile thrive, which in turn makes for better compost, for a healthier and more beautiful lawn or garden. Curl hair. Of all the interesting uses of Coca-Cola, using it for hair care might be the strangest of them all. While it can be used to strip color as mentioned elsewhere on this list, it has the ability to curl hair too. It's crazy, but true. Strip paint. Anyone who has removed paint will tell you the chemicals available at your local hardware store specifically designed to remove paint can be costly and a bit on the pungent side. Luckily, Coke can do that too. Parents with small children, take note. This trick works well when the finger painting gets out of hand, as it works great on fabrics and clothing. Treat tummy troubles. While how healthy consuming that much sugar in beverages is up for debate, there are some health benefits to Coca-Cola. As prescribed by some doctors, Coke can be great for an upset stomach, nausea, diarrhea, and even a sore throat. Soothe bites and stings. If you're not partial to using honey to soothe burns, among other things, Coke has magical powers to do the same. The chemicals in the substance are great for neutralizing pain in minor bites and stings such as those from mosquitoes, bees and wasps, and even the random jellyfish. And really, would you rather be showered in urine to ease the sting of a jellyfish or delicious Coca-Cola? Moisturize Skin. Doctors might advise against regular consumption of sugary beverages, but using Coke on your skin can actually do a body good. The substance can help your skin by leaving it moisturized and silky smooth. Fertilize Flowers. Just as millions around the world savor sugary cola, as it turns out, plants think the stuff is pretty awesome too. This makes Coke, in its never-ending uses, a key component for a safe fertilizer. It works by increasing the acidity of soil, which in turn creates more beautiful lawn and flowers, especially azaleas and gardenias. Roast meats. Roast meats. Make lower-fat brownies. Remove gum. Remove gum. Age photographs. Age photographs. Fade color. Fade color. Mentos Fun. Mentos Fun. Rust removal. Rust removal. Remove smells. Cola probably isn't the first odor remover that comes to mind when dealing with something stinky, but it just might should be. The carbonic and phosphoric acid in the Coke works wonders for smell removal, especially those from fish and even skunk. Cleaning and stain removal. While it can be argued that the acid in cola can rot your teeth, it is also incredibly useful to clean and remove stains with that same acid, a powerful weapon for cleaning. It may seem odd to use a sticky substance like cola for cleaning, but don't knock it until you try it.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.